Hello everyone, my name is Jakpal. Today in this video I will be taking you through one of the very important command used inside SQL Server, and the command is dbcc SQL perf log space. As the name suggests, dbcc SQL perf log space provides information about transaction log space usage statistics for all databases. Now, what is transaction log space usage? As we know that whenever you create a database, that database has data file and the log file. Now, log file is used to collect information about the transactions which are taking place inside the database before they are finally written inside the data file. Okay. Now, the log file, whenever it writes a new transaction, it gets consumed because the free space inside the log file continues to get reduced as and when more transactions get processed inside the database. Now, it is very important for any database administrator to continuously monitor the usage, the space usage inside the transaction log file. Now, this command dbcc SQL perf log space very easily helps you capturing and getting that information about the transaction log files for all databases. As shown inside this table, whenever you run this command, it provides you a couple of columns which are very easy to understand. The first column it provides is the database name, and then the log size of that database, and then the log space used percentage. Here you can see that, for example, master database has as a log size of 0.742 MB with log space used percentage of 63.15, and then AdventureWorks has a log size in MB 33.99 and log space used percentage 80.9. That way you can very easily monitor the transaction logs space usage of the transaction log inside your database. Now, as a database administrator, I also prefer to capture this information over a period of time so that I can get to see the trend. For that, it is very important for you to capture this information inside a table so that you can always select that table and get the information about the transaction log space usage over a period of time. And for that, in the next slide, I have a simple script which can easily be deployed in any of the environment in SQL Server, and with the help of which you can collect information about transaction log space inside a table and then select that table to get the trend over a period of time. Now, this script is divided into three parts. The first part creates a table t_log space to collect the information about the transaction log space usage. Second part consists of insert into t_log space, is inserting the log space usage inside the table, and third part is giving the output from t_log space with the help of a select statement so that you can see the trend and the growth and the change in the transaction log space usage of your database. If I go to next slide provides the outcome of the script in the previous slide. As shown by this table, the outcome consists of the DB name. I have them hidden, the database names as hidden, and just rubbed off just to hide them because they are from one of my environment. It has another column as log size in MB, then log space used percentage, and then log space unused MB. Now, log space used percentage, as soon as you see it, you can see that the log space used percentage is like very less for this particular environment. But imagine for if one of your database log space percentage is reaching at 95%, then it is certainly a cause of concern for you, because as a database administrator you certainly like to know the reason for increased usage of the log, so that you can really understand and get to the root cause by looking into what is happening behind the scene. And that way you should be able to troubleshoot the cause of high log usage as a database administrator. I hope you find this video useful, and if yes, then please share it with others so that it can also help others to solve and monitor their transaction logs over a period of time with the help of the script. And if you like this video, please give this video thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.